Okay, I'm just showing the database update for today. I've already downloaded the data files. Now I'm just updating my SQLite database. Okay, just change this date up here. And let's change the time. So this is why I'm rerunning because apparently the source didn't actually, well, it could just be that the source doesn't create plots. Okay, so we got daily deaths. Okay, daily cases. Let's just take a quick look over here. New York Times, database, browse data. That looks good. Okay, so the data looks good. So let's go and start our first database here. And I'm going to say at this point, I'm going to say at this point, what did we do yesterday? So let's start with Israel. So I'm going to say at this point, welcome back, Israel, to your Caribou Data Science channel. A big shout out to the 32 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for all those views. Of course, before we get started, we always have that little favor to ask, and that's that you to click on that subscribe button, of course. Click on that like button. You find support interesting and helpful. And third, I'm going to say most important of all, click on that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. You can also copy and paste a link to the video into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Okay, so let's just get on with the show here. You can see here that Israel currently has 906,405 cases, 6,559 deaths. You can see this is a bit of concern. We are seeing an increase back up to 5,923 cases for a single day. And as of 8/6, and the 7-day moving average for as of August the 6th was 3,822 cases. Now, the interesting thing here is that the vaccination rate is very high in your nation of Israel, over 50%, maybe close to 60% fully vaccinated. And if it's true that people keep saying is that this vaccine doesn't keep you from getting from this COVID-19, it only reduces the chances that you're going to die from COVID-19. Okay, so this means this number could continue to go up. And as you can see here, deaths continue to remain low, relatively low. Because you can see up here, you had 19 deaths for August the 7th, and 17 deaths for August the 9th. Okay, so those are still very low numbers. Okay, and you see for the 7-day period ending 8/5, August 5th, you were averaging 9.2 deaths per day. Again, you can see this spike up here. Lots of speculation by what's causing that. Some people say it's because they opened up their borders again. But over here, you can see last week we had a spike in deaths over 50 deaths for a week. Okay? And this week, right now, if this is 50, then this is like 25. So right now, we're approaching 25 deaths for the week. Okay, for this week. But still, look how far you've come. This is 50 again. You've been under 50 deaths for a week, except for this right here, all the way back over here. Okay. Or monthly cases. Yes, you can see these cases are spike sharing cases. Okay, but still these cases are well below these three numbers, well below the spike up here. Okay. What about deaths? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row now, and this could be some months in a row. Your monthly deaths could be below these three numbers right here. Okay, below these four numbers right here. Right. So that's continued to be good news. The trouble is the COVID-19 vaccine may never completely get rid of deaths. That's the other thing we got to keep in mind. Okay. Anyway, Israel, it does conclude your report for today. Before I let you go, just don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And most important of all, don't forget to click that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. You can also share it on an email and a text message and fire it off to your friends and family that way. Thanks so much for your time, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.